The possible causes of school unrest. We have listed a number of causes, beginning from the fear of national exams due to the strict measures that we have instituted to curb cheating. The second reason is drug and substance abuse by learners. The third one is communication challenges within some of the schools, communication challenges between the students and the management of the school. A lack of role models in society manifested by the violent avenues used to resolve conflict in many of our surroundings. And I think that we all know that we have not been very good role models for our children. Fourth is the domino effect, the copycat mentality that's pervasive in schools, and especially schools that are within the same region. And then the reaction to change management. Whenever there is a change of a principal or teachers are transferred, then the reaction could be either the walkouts, the walk-ins, in some cases even arson, especially if the students felt that the teacher that was transferred was making a huge contribution, right, to their welfare and to their learning.